So how to change the language on the Waze app. So to change the language, for example back to English, on the Waze app, it's very simple to do. So right now we've got Waze set up in Spanish. So to go ahead and change it back to English, you'll just want to go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right here. Then once you've done that, you just want to go ahead and click on this option right here. Then once you've done that, it then opens you up to another menu page, and you simply just want to go ahead and click on General. Then from General, it opens you up to this page here, and right here it should tell you what language it's in. So as you can see right now, it's in Spanish. So to go ahead and change it to English, you just want to select it. And then from there, you can then go ahead and change it to any language you want. Obviously right at the top you can see English US version is here, but of course you can always scroll down and find your preferred language. So for example here I'm going to select English UK. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.